This is all you need to know if you're staying at the Hyatt Centric in Fort Lauderdale. So there is a pet fee at $75 and there's also valet, which is $38 a night. Just a heads up, when we did come in, they gave us a little goodie bag with some treats, a little plushie toy, and poop bags, which is always super nice. And yeah, this is a really nice hotel and I'm so excited to check it out, and I'll throw in the room tour and the little unboxing we did of the goodie bag. So underdressed for this hotel, but okay, so you walk in, there's a giant wardrobe. If we were staying here longer, we'd probably use this. And then here's the bath room. No soaking tub this time, but we have a toilet, a mirror, a nice big shower. And then you walk out here and there's a coffee and a desk and a little light thing, the bed and nightstands and mirror. And then we got a balcony that Brandy is still a little afraid of, but that's okay. Oh, that's a little creepy. I've never been this high up. We got this little goodie bag from the front desk at Doggo Treats, and Brandy's here. Oh, and she would like some treats. Come on. Come on. Brandy. Come on. No, get your paws. Paws. Oh my god. She doesn't know. Ooh. You a plushie. Oh, look, it's a little citrus. It's so cute. You want the toy? Oh, yeah. You got a little bowl. A bowl? Michael, they gave Brandy a little bowl. Michael, they gave Brandy a little bowl.
Oh, that's so cute.
And some poop bags. These are just poop bags. Did you want your bowl? And then you got 3 treats. They're right here. They're on the desk. Just little keys. Okay, good morning. We woke up from Fort Lauderdale. We're rating this hotel an 8 out of 10 because otherwise it would be a 10 out of 10. But I didn't get to check out the speakeasy and the pool we didn't do either. And I think with those two, it would have been a full 10 out of 10. There is a nice grassy area outside that I will show you when we go outside. That works perfectly. You're right on the Riverwalk for dogs. So yeah, it was also half off wine bottle night. So we bought a whole bottle of wine that I guess we're just taking with us because I did not finish the bottle of wine. So much grass. There's grass there and there's grass over there with the Riverwalk.